On the shop floor, teams depend on multiple systems, SOPs, ServiceNow manufacturing platforms just to get simple answers. Quadra IntelliLink FactoryOps brings everything together inside Microsoft 365 Copilot, so teams can ask and act instantly. A planned maintenance just finished. The operator needs to restart the line by the book. Now, I'm asking Copilot to check the approved procedure. Operators get instant access to the latest approved SOPs and safety instructions. No searching, no waiting, no guesswork. A machine alarm keeps coming back. The technician needs more than just an error code. Now, I'm asking Copilot to analyze what's happened before. FactoryOps connects incident history, spare part data, and expert guidance, helping technicians fix the issue right the first time. Now the issue impacts systems. MES access is unstable in one plant. Instead of filling forms, I'll just ask Copilot. Issues are automatically classified and routed, cutting triage time and improving response speed. A firmware update is needed, but in a factory, changes must be controlled. Now I'm asking Copilot to handle the change process. FactoryOps ensures every change is documented, reviewed, and approved without slowing the team down. At the leadership level, decisions need clarity, not raw data. Now, I'm asking Copilot for a quick operational summary. Plant leaders get clear insights into risks, bottlenecks, and improvement opportunities in seconds.